Hello friends, today we are going to discussing about the geography. So let's start with the universe. The universe is a commonly defined as a totality of everything that exists, including all physical matters and energy, the planets, stars, galaxies, and the contents of intergalactic space. So, it is not only include the physical matter but also the energy, planets, stars, galaxies, and the contents of intergalactic space. It is very important. The study of universe is called cosmology. So what is a cosmology? It is the study of universe. The cosmology is derived from two words. First one cosmos and the second one logos. The cosmos, the meaning of cosmos is universe and the logos is science. We can say that the universe has no limit. The universe has no limit. Next one, what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a vast system of billions of stars, which also contains a large number of gas clouds, mainly of hydrogen gas, uh, and dust isolated in space from similar systems. So, galaxy, we can say that galaxy is a system which have billions of stars. Uh, above. Also, it contains a large number of gas clouds. The gas clouds mainly include the hydrogen gas. There are about 10 billion galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy has, on an average, 100 billion stars. So, the total number of stars in the universe, the total number of stars in the universe is 10 raised to 22 stars. Milky Way. The galaxy named Milky Way is the home of Earth. We can say Milky Way is the home of Earth and our solar system. It is spiral in shape. So which is the home of which galaxy is the home of the Earth? The answer is Milky Way galaxy. The shape of Milky Way galaxy is spiral. Milky Way galaxy was formed 5 billion years after a Big Bang. Latest known galaxy is the Dwarf Galaxy. According to the modern thought, universe can be classified into two parts. The first one is atmosphere and second one is space. Origin of the universe is explained by the Big Bang theory. It is formulated and proposed by Belgian astronomer and cosmologist George Lemaitre. Andromeda is our nearest galaxy. Andromeda is our nearest galaxy. So what is a Big Bang theory? What is a Big Bang theory? All the matter in the universe was originally a concentrated lump called primeval atom. Big Bang was an explosion that occurred 50 billion years ago, leading to the formation of the galaxies of stars and other heavenly bodies. Since then, all the galaxies have been flying away from one another, causing explosion of the universe. So, Big Bang theory, it is a Big Bang. What is a Big Bang? Big Bang was an explosion that occurred 15 billion years ago that leads to the formation of galaxies of stars and other heavenly bodies. So, let's summarize what we have studied today. First one, what is a universe? A universe is not only include the physical matters but the energy, planets, stars, galaxies. It's all include in universe. The study of universe is called cosmology, and the galaxy is a system of billions of stars and gas clouds, dust, etc. And the Milky Way, it's important. The Milky Way galaxy is the home of the Earth and our solar system, and it is a spiral in shape. And in modern thought, universe can be classified into two parts: atmosphere and space. Um, the origin of universe, it's explained by Big Bang theory, and it was formulated and proposed by Georges Lemaitre. And so these some of the important things about the universe and galaxy. So I will be there with another video. So till bye.